Okay, so welcome back. So we are now going to read through Patent Office and Establishment, section 70 to 76. This is nothing much, not that complicated section. So controller and other offices. So what it says that Controller General Patent, Design and Trademarks is appointed under section and the Trademark Act 1999. Okay. So this is important to be remembered. Okay. So Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademarks is not appointed under the Patent Act, but he is appointed under Trademarks Act 1999. So main time this question is asked in paper 1, and one of the option is Trademark Act, other option is Patent Act, and then you may get confused. Central government may appoint as many examiners. Okay, so central government can appoint as many examiners. So examiners are not appointed by central controller, but they are appointed by central government. So they can ask, controller appoints examiner. No, central government appoints examiner. And examiners are directly under central government. No, examiners are under the controller. Controller can do any work of examiners or transfer the same to other examiners. Okay, so if some searches or any activities being done by examiners, controller can do from the start, or he can do it from other examiners. And also, if one examiner is working on some topic, he can transfer this. So these are the rights, and you may get questions in multiple choice on this, based on this. Miss Controller can transfer the rights, the work to other examiner or not, yes or no, or maybe some options are there. So remember, controller can transfer the work to other examiner. Patent office and its branches. Central government decides for the patent office place. Okay, so central government will say, so these are places, and then we know that we have patent offices in Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and Kolkata. Then patent office has its own seal. So they have, each patent office has a seal. Okay, very simple. Restriction on employees of patent office as to right or interest in patent. So this is important to know. Any officer or employee cannot have any interest in any patent. Okay, but he can have it via inheritance. Meaning that if you're working in the patent office, you cannot ask that I should have interest in patent, or you cannot be an inventor on the topic. You cannot be owner of the patent. But of course, if in your family someone is there, patent was in his name, and by as an inheritance, as you inherit all his property, that patent also you can inherit by law. Very simple. Okay, and officers and employee not to furnish information. Okay, meaning an officer or employee, okay, cannot provide information regarding any matter dealt in patent office. So they will not give you any information. Anything that is going in the patent office, they will not get information regarding those. Or prepare any document required by patent office. Okay, so you cannot ask a person in patent office, sir, I want to fill form 16, can you fill? I want to fill form 13, can you please fill for me? So they will not fill the form for you. They will say, please, you ask patent agent. So you don't think that he is being hostile, because under section 76, he cannot prepare any document for patent office. Conduct a search in record of patent office. You cannot ask them to conduct a search for you. You cannot ask that, can you please provide a patent number like this? They will not do search for you. They can do all this activity when in writing by central government or controller or appellate board or court, as the case may be. If any one of these, they ask them that please do this in writing, then they will do it. Okay, so this was a very short session and very simple one. Any question on this?